Now the question is asking us to find the value of a plus b. That's what the question is asking us to find today. This equation is taken from partial fraction, and I promise you it's going to be very interesting. So don't go nowhere. Stay with us and let us look at the questions together. All right? So we bring the question down. X plus 25 all divided by x squared plus x minus 12 equals a over x plus 4 all plus b over x minus 3. So if we factorize this expression, x squared plus x minus 12, the result is going to give us half x plus 25. Factorize this expression, you're going to have x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 3. And then we find the LCM of the opposite side. We have x plus 4, then x minus 3. Okay, if we find the LCM, then the denominator, if this LCM is divided by this x plus 4, we cancel x plus 4, you are left with x minus 3. So we have a into x minus 3, then all plus, so x minus 3 we cancel x minus 3, you are left with x plus 4 here. So the b we multiply x plus 4. Now, talking about factorization, at least at this point, if you have done quadratic equation, factorization should not be a serious problem. Okay, so we look at what is in the denominator at the right hand side is equal to what is in the denominator at the left hand side. So divide, all right, so we divide both sides, all right, or multiply both sides, all right, better still, multiply both sides by x plus 4 and x minus 3. All right, since the denominator is the same, if you multiply this factor by each of the sides, then we cancel out. You discover that this will cancel out if we multiply this. So what we have is x plus 25 equals, if you open this bracket and rearrange, what you're going to have will be ax, all right, minus 3a, okay, then we have plus bx plus 4b, okay, so we have plus 25 equals a plus b, all right, you factor x out since both of them contain x, then you have minus 3a plus 4b, all right. From here, in front of x, there is 1 there. 1 is multiplying x. So comparing both sides, so if we comparing both sides, okay, you're going to have our a plus b is equal to 1. We call this one our equation 1. Now, what some smart students always do is that if you are solving a problem to beat time and it is objective, you just know that we were instructed to find a plus b, and the first equation is giving us a plus b equals 1. So this already tells you that a plus b provides 1 as answer. But then it's always advisable for you to conclude the problem solving so that you can be sure that a plus b is truly 1 as the equation, this equation gives. So the next thing, our equation b, we compare the terms without x, 25 at the left hand side and then minus 3a plus b at the right hand side. So we have minus 3a plus 4b equals 25. All right, so from equation 1, of course we call this one equation 2. From equation 1, If we make A subject, it will be 1 minus B. So we put this value here in the place of A. We have minus 3 into 1 minus B. Then we have plus 4B is equal to 25. So minus 3 plus 3B plus 4B equals 25. So we have 7B is equal to 28 when we collect like terms together. All right, if you collect like terms, you will discover that you have 7B equals 28, because minus 3 taken to the other side becomes 25 plus 3, and that produces 28. So here our B, therefore our B is equal to 4. All right, so we now say, since A equals 1 minus B, what it simply means is that we have our A is equal to 1, take away 4, since B is already 4 from here. And so our A is equal to minus 3. So finally, our A plus B is equal to minus 3 plus 4. Of course, we trust that A plus B is equal to 1, as I explained from equation 1. All right, so how to be smart about it? Once A plus B has produced 1, if you're writing an exam that demands time, you can just make your conclusion. Otherwise, you may need to solve and then make your judgment at the end of the question. I hope you learned something. Try, share our videos, inform others, give us a thumb up, and then pass a comment. Let us receive a feedback and know whether we are performing, we are helping to give you a better understanding of what you already learned in the class.